Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a cut in Adobe Rush on your phone. But before we get into that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm already in a project now. Here I have my video in this project. It's a 26-second video, and if you want to make a cut, so split it in two, you're gonna adjust that line where you want the cut to be. Let's say here. After that, at the bottom there are buttons. You can scroll on them. Scroll until you find the scissors and press on it. As you can see, as you can see, I cut it there. And now I have two different clips. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.